Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Turn off your PC and unplug every cable from the power supply now. Move the case to a flat workspace and ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap. Measure the new graphics card length. Many modern cards are about 5 inches long. Check that your motherboard has a free PCIe X16 slot and that your PSU is rated 650W or higher for most mid-range cards. Verify available 6-pin or 8-pin. Open the PC case side panel and lay it aside on a soft surface. Locate the graphics card and remove the 2 rear bracket screws that secure it to the case. Disconnect any 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables from the card before you touch the PCIe latch. Press the small PCIe slot latch on the motherboard to release the card gently. Pull the card straight out of the PCIe X16 slot while supporting its weight. Align the new graphics card with the PCIe X16 slot and lower it straight down until the slot latch clicks. Make sure the card sits flush and that the rear bracket lines up with the case openings. Secure the card with 2 rear bracket screws and connect the required 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables from the PSU. Reattach the side panel and reconnect all cables. Boot the PC, install the latest GPU drivers, and monitor temperatures to confirm stable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.